Hey guys, so today I want to walk you through one of the projects I have been really excited to work on. This right here is a fully 3D printed Unimog 6x6 RC truck. Every part except the motor and suspension was printed using filament on my 3D printer. It's an exact replica of the real Unimog. The only thing missing is the actual engine. This design is by Casadio. I bought the files and I have been printing everything from scratch. This isn't just me putting together a kit, it's slowly turning into my own version of this truck. When I first downloaded the files, I remember thinking, this can't be that hard. I was wrong. This truck has over 600 individual printed parts. And I'm not talking about screws or little extras, 600 actual printed pieces. So every single one had to be printed, cleaned up and checked and then assembled. And honestly, I have reprinted more parts than I want to admit. So some prints took a few hours, some took almost an entire day. There were successful prints, failed prints, a few moments where I questioned why I even started this project in the first place. But somehow we are here. Right now the truck is roughly 50% complete. The chassis is together, the suspension is almost done, the axles are assembled and finally it's starting to look like an actual truck. Honestly, the best part of a build like this is watching a pile of random plastic parts slowly turn into something real. Every time I finish a section, it just makes me want to keep on going. So here's the plan for this series. I'm going to document everything. The printers I'm using, my print settings, the filament, how much this project is actually costing me, the mistakes, the upgrades, assembly, electronics, painting, literally all of it. My goal isn't just to finish this truck. I want this channel to be a place where I build cool stuff, learn new things along the way, and hopefully get a few of you inspired to start your own crazy builds too. We have still got a long way to go, hundreds of parts left, plenty of challenges. If you enjoy projects like this, consider subscribing because this is just the first episode and trust me, it's only going to get crazier from here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.